Need to change the language in your Mozilla Firefox browser? Follow this guide and I'll show you how to do it easily. Launch the Mozilla Firefox browser. Click the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, at the top right corner of the browser window. From the menu, select Settings. Scroll down to the Language and Appearance section. Under Choose the language used to display menus, messages, and notifications, click the drop-down menu. If your desired language isn't listed, click Search for more languages. Select the language you want to add and click Add, followed by OK. The newly added language will appear at the top of the list as the default. Close and reopen the browser for the changes to take effect. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.